Today, I'm going to show you how to copy a Base44 app in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful shortcut if you want to duplicate an existing app, reuse the same structure, or create a new version without starting from scratch. It's fast, simple, and once you know where to click, the whole process only takes a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Base44 account and make sure you're on the main dashboard where all of your apps are listed. From there, look for the Apps section and click on it. This will take you to the page where all of your existing apps are shown in one place. Now find the app that you want to copy. Once you see it, look over to the three dots menu on that app. These three dots usually open up more options for the app, including management tools and extra actions. Click the three dots to open the menu. In the drop-down list, you should see an option that says Clone App. This is the feature you need to create a duplicate of the app. Click Clone App, and Base44 will begin making a copy of that app for you. Depending on the app and your account setup, it may take a moment for the cloned version to appear. Once it's done, you'll have a new copy of the original app that you can edit, customize, and use however you want. This is great for testing changes, creating variations, or building new projects much faster. And that's it. You've now copied a Base44 app using the built-in clone feature. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Base44 tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides like this. 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.